Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are having a great day. Today we're going to be baking pound cake and muffins. Here are my ingredients. Have pound cake mix, blueberry cheesecake mix for the muffin, the butter, carnation milk, the bowl and the whisk. Got the pans that I'm going to be baking in. And then I think I forgot the eggs, so here I am grabbing some eggs from the fridge. And we're going to be needing 2 eggs for the pound cake. So I got the bowl. I'm going to be breaking the 2 eggs into the bowl. So we're going to wash the whisk. And then you will just whisk it till it's evenly mixed. So you try and mix the yolk with the white and then make sure everything is evenly mixed. And it seems like it's evenly mixed. Next you will just add your milk. I'm just gonna punch some hole in my milk and then pour it into the eggs. We'll go ahead and then prepare the oven for the bake. I put it at 350 and hit start just to preheat it for the baking. So I grab a cup and then I'm going to be measuring half of that cup full of milk and then just pour it into the egg. So it seems that's half of the cup. And then you will just continue to whisk it till it's evenly mixed with the eggs. And then you go ahead and add your butter. So I kind of know the measurement. Do you guys cook without measuring it? I think I'm getting used to it. I'm getting so comfortable with cooking without measuring it. So it becomes very difficult when I'm kind of explaining stuff to someone who has never cooked before. Because I don't know how to tell them the measurement. I feel like I got that in my bones. I already know the measurement. So yeah, I'm just whisking the butter with the eggs and milk. Make sure it's evenly mixed. Comment down below and let me know if you always measure ingredients when you're cooking. So I think it's coming together. So yeah, we're almost done. So next we're just gonna add the pound cake mix. So 1 box make 1 pound cake. So we're gonna try and stir whilst we're putting the mix in there, just so we wouldn't just dump the entire thing in there. So we will just go ahead, stir whilst we're dumping it in there little by little, and then. So my left hand couldn't whisk it, so we have to change to the right hand. That's the mature hand. So yeah, just pour the rest in there. Yeah, it's coming together. It's getting evenly mixed and smooth. Make sure you don't have any lumps in there. Yeah, it looks creamy. It feels creamy, and it smells so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it over into the baking pan. So I make sure I put the entire mix into the pan. I'm not leaving a pinch in the bowl. So I went ahead and set that aside. So it looks good. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix the muffin. And I set the pound cake aside because I want to bake them together. So I'm just wiping the same bowl. I wash it and wipe it, and then I'm gonna mix my muffin. So it's blueberry cheesecake muffin mix. It smells so good. So you just have to pour the entire mix into a bowl. I think one package makes like 3 muffins. That's what it says on there. I believe it could be 4 or 5 depending on how big you want it. So I'm using 3. So I'm supposed to be getting about 9 to 12 muffins. I don't know, we will see. So with the muffin, I just need to add milk. We're not gonna be adding butter. So it looks like I need more milk. So you probably need to add more milk. So yeah, here I am grabbing milk from the pantry, and then just punch a hole in there and just pour it. Like I said, I suck when it comes to measuring stuff. I kind of know how much I needed, so it's hard when I'm teaching someone how to cook or bake, because they're like, oh, how much salt should I put in here? I'm like, put as much as you can taste it in there. But my measurement are always right. So just whisk it and then till it's creamy and it's evenly mixed. There's no lumps in there. It smells so good. For some reason, that cheesecake thing smells so good. And then the funny thing is they have it on the label, do not eat it. And I'm like, okay. We're not gonna eat it. We're gonna cook it before. We're gonna bake it before we eat it. So it's evenly mixed. I'm just gonna go ahead and then pour it into the muffin pan. I think I'm probably gonna get about 12 muffins from the 3 packet. So the oven is preheated right now, so it will be all ready for the bake. Oops, I feel like I'm just filling it more than I should be putting in there, but that's fine. We will make it work. So I still got some in the bowl. Just tidy up a little bit and make it cleaner. We'll be ready to go into the oven. I like to clean whilst I'm cooking so that I don't have a lot to do once I'm done. So there goes the muffin, there goes the pound cake, and then we're gonna bake the muffin for about 35 minutes, and then the muffin will be 45 to an hour depending on how, excuse me, the pound cake will be baking for 45 to an hour depending on how long you want it. So I came back in about 30 minutes to check on the muffin, because that one needed not to stay in there for longer. So it seems all baked very well, brown. So it's ready. And the muffins are ready now. Oh my God, why would I forget to take the tag off from my And then about an hour, the pound cake was ready too. So this is the final look. It looks good. And it's gonna taste good. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you bake your next pound cake or muffin if you're looking into learning how to bake this. See you in my next